Well, hello sports fan, this is Harry and I'd like to welcome you to Harry's Stuff and Such. And what I got going on today is I've got a review of a gaming chair, specifically a VertagearSL5000 that I just got in. And I'm going to unbox and assemble that chair and then see how it stacks up against my 1999 Sam's Club $85 special gaming chair. I've been using that for quite a while now, and it's got my butt cheeks right where they need to be. And so we'll see how this new one stacks up against that. And if you hear some noise in the background, pay no attention. That's just my A8 printing out a few things. And in fact, if you are interested in that, I got a couple of videos out there right now on my A8 Avenger, and maybe you could take a look at those as well. So let's get this show on the road, and I'll start unboxing and assembling the VertagearSL5000. Okay, I've got the SL5000 together now, so it's time to do the comparison test to my Sam's Club $19.99 $85 special gaming chair. Da-da-da-da! Anyways, alright, let's get this show on the road. What we got here? Alright, see, I got a nice lumbar support back here. I can move it up and down, a pillow, I can take it out if I don't want it. Challenger, built-in lumbar support, no movement. You're stuck with what you got. Alright, neck rest. Yeah, I got a nice little pillow back here. It feels good. Foam, take it up, leave it on. I can take it off. Feels like memory foam. So I can even throw it at the cat if I want to. Challenger. Again, fixed headrest. Alright, so that's 0 for 2 on the Challenger. What else we got? Let's take a look at the armrest. Armrest move up, armrest move down. Armrest move side to side, in and out. Armrest move backwards, armrest move forward. Armrest rotate. Yep, rotate. A little padding here, nice and softer, nice and wide. Challenger, fixed, no padding, not as wide. Wow, so far the Challenger hasn't even tied. Well, what else we got here? Alright, we can adjust the height, right? Up, down, up, down. Yep, you can adjust the height. Challenger, you can adjust the height. Wow, first time the Challenger tied. Okay, what else? Oh, I can tilt the back. Oh man, I think I could take a nap in this. I don't want to hit my A8 back there. Challenger, fixed back. What about the cushion of the seat? Seat feels nice and firm. Hasn't worked in my seats yet, but feels good. Challenger's got a nice indentation right here where I've been sitting for the past, wow, has it been that long? 18 years? I give the Challenger a plus on longevity at least anyways, right? But I think I'm really going to enjoy this chair. I'm going to look forward to many hours of playing ESO in it, little Fallout 4, a few other games. So I think I'm looking forward to this. So far I think the Challenger loses this comparison, and the VertagearSL5000 comes out on top. So if you like this and this was informational to you, click that like button. If you didn't, go ahead and click that dislike button. It kind of gives me a little information on what people like and don't like on this, on what I've been doing on this channel. Also, it'd help out to click that subscribe button so I can get that 1,000 subscribers. I really would like to do that. But, so anyways, until I get together to do something else, I'll see you guys on the back nine, and y'all have a good one and take care. See ya.